In today's video, I will walk you through how to switch trading accounts on MT5. To switch to a different trading account, start by opening MetaTrader 5. Once the platform is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear on your screen. In this window, enter your login credentials in the appropriate fields. After entering your account details, select the correct server from the server list. In this example, choose the server named MetaQuotes. Before continuing, make sure the Save Password checkbox is selected. Keeping this option enabled will make it much faster to switch between your trading accounts later because you will not need to enter your password every time. Once everything has been entered correctly, click OK. MetaTrader 5 will then log you into the selected trading account. If you have already logged into multiple accounts before and want to switch between them without entering your credentials again, there is an even quicker method. Look at the left side of the MetaTrader 5 platform and locate the Navigator window. If the Navigator window is not currently visible, go to the top menu, click View, and then choose Navigator from the drop-down list. The Navigator panel will now appear on the side of the platform. Inside the Navigator window, find the Accounts section and click the plus icon next to it to expand the list. Then expand the server list for MetaQuotes. Here you will see all of the trading accounts that you have previously logged into and saved on the platform. To switch to one of these accounts, simply double-click the account you want to use. Since the login information has already been saved, the login window will appear with the details already filled in. All you need to do is click OK, and MetaTrader 5 will switch you to that trading account. After the login is complete, you will be connected to the selected account and can continue using MetaTrader 5 with that account instead of the previous one. And that's all there is to switching trading accounts on MetaTrader 5. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.